Hello friends, today I am going to show you the iPhone 8 product guide. I just received this device and as you can see it has a nice red back to it, and I think we will be getting a silver Apple logo here. So I will open this up and I will see how the phone looks, the iPhone 8 product guide. Here we go friends. It tilts up and it opens up like this. So let me put this aside, and here we go. We don't have the phone here. It's very astonishing. So let me pull this up. At first here we get designed by Apple in California. We get some product red cards here. In partnership with Pred, Apple will contribute portion of your iPhone purchase to the global fund, which will support to HIV and AIDS program throughout the world. That's a good thing. Okay, we get the, as usual, get started card, the SIM tray opener tool, some documentations, and as usual the Apple logos. So here we go friends. Wow. The iPhone 8 has got the red back, but we are getting the black front. This is a good thing. A lot of people were requesting that we should get this because it looks very nice and feels very nice to the hand. So let me boot this up. I think yes, we have some juice here. In the meantime, we'll check what we get in the box. So we are getting the normal, as usual. Apple has become not that much into it to giving the 10-watt charger nowadays. They provide the small one in the box, as compared to the old iPhone 6 or 6s. You might be remembering we were getting the 10-watt chargers. So here is your Apple AirPods, and we get Apple connector, the dongle that is from lightning port to 3.5 mm headphone jack, and we get as usual Apple lightning cable. So we don't get anything else here. I think the phone might have been booted up till now. Yes, we have put it. So here I have to set this up first because I haven't put my SIM here. So let me, if you take some time, I will show you. In the meantime, when it gets set up, I would like to show that we get the usual Apple apps in this phone too, and without the SIM I won't be able to switch it on, I think. So here we go with setup with India. Okay, set up manually. Next, no, choose another network. Okay, basically I can't set it up without the SIM and all. So okay, if I choose the Wi-Fi, so I will make another video showing you what we get in this phone. But usually friends, Apple devices are most of the same. As you can see here, this is the iPhone 7 that I have here. So we get a nice metal back here rather than compared to this one with the glass back. Let me wrap this up out. Yes, so here you can see this is a glass back, and it has a nice shining feature to it. And also this phone supports wireless charging due to the glass back. And so that's all my friends. This is iPhone 8 product red. Thank you for watching.